Okay, so welcome back to our door glass replacement series, part 2. Andrew here for Vanguard Technologies. In this part, we'll be looking at removing the interior aluminium trim, the door panel, the vacuum seal panel, and the window regulator. Then we'll take out the broken glass from the BMW door. As you can see, we've already finished the first two, removing the aluminium trim, and now we are removing the door panel. Carefully maneuver the wires out of their clips. All the wires are attached to the door panel, as we are doing here. Try to be more careful than we were to make sure that you don't destroy the wires or the clips that hold the wires. So get rid of all the wires that are attached to the door panel, and when you're done, carefully put your panel somewhere safe. The boot or the inside of the car would be a good place. Okay, so now we head over to the vacuum seal panel, getting rid of that, or not really getting rid of, but removing it from the door frame. You'll need something to cut through the adhesive, and cutting through it is fine because, as you've seen, once you replace it, it will get stuck back onto the door. And be careful not to damage any wires or damage the vacuum panel itself, since you're using a sharp tool. Be very careful not to damage the wires, and whenever we reach a section where there are wires, we'll just slow the video down so that you can see how careful we were as well here not to damage the wires. So let's speed up this process, and then I'll get back to you when we are done removing the vacuum seal. Okay, so as we are finishing, remember that the vacuum seal will be attached somewhere in the middle of the door panel, so make sure to cut that off as well without damaging any parts. So now we are getting the screws out. Get rid of some of the glass if you can, if there's any glass anyway. So let's watch that, and then I'll get back to you in our next subsection.
NigerFlavor.com. Exclusive to JohnBiz.com.
So we've tried to really slow this part of the video down so that you can see all the screws that hold the window regulator to the door panel, because it is held by some screws, and then there are clips as well which move the wires and hold part of it to the door. So we want to make sure that those are some of the clips that are just like that one right there. Make sure you maneuver your window regulator out of the door like so. Okay, so we've successfully got our, well, not quite, there it is. Now we've successfully removed our window regulator, and there it is. So if your purpose for watching this video was to see how to remove the window regulator, there you have it. In this scenario, we are going to remove all the parts of the broken glass or the parts that were holding the broken glass. As you can see, we'll remove them, clean them out. We might need them for the replacement.
NigerFlavor.com.
So opening these harnesses which hold the glass, we'll need all these parts. If not as the spares, then if not as the parts to hold the new glass, then we can use them as spares later. So just clean out all the glass. If you're doing this with us, clean out all the glass and keep those parts away safely.
Exclusive to JohnBiz.com.
Okay, so now let's get off some of these other parts to open up the door fully. Okay, so now we're taking out the glass, as you can, all the broken glass from all the crevices of the door. We're going to take out the glass manually like so, and then we'll also blow it out using a pressure pump. So once we are done with that, then we'll be good to head into our final part 3. See you in the next part. Cheers.
Yeah, look, it's gonna be a long time before we stop. Boy, they better know who made the scene pop. All I ever needed was a chance to get the team hot. Only thing I fear is a headshot or a screenshot. Pre-me, them a pre-me. You know they only call me when they need me. I never go anywhere, they never see me. I'm the type to take it easy, take it easy. I took girls in the very first text I sent. I don't beg no lovers, I don't beg no friends. If you wanna link, we can link right now. Skeppy, Wiz, and Drake, it's a ting right now. Are you feeling good tonight?